Sweet. Look at you guys. Learned how to swim and everything. Let's see. Swimming in Miami. A little bit. That was a big one. That's fine. Do some backflips. Woo! Yeah. How many can you do at one time? Can you do like 2 or 3? Yeah. Do like 2 backflips in a row. 1, 2. Whoa. Got it. Nice. You guys are rock stars, man. You took 2 weeks of swimming class. Woo, look at that. Nice. That was 2. Okay, let's go back that way towards mommy. Let's go back that way. We're getting too far out. Let's go back that way. We're getting too far out. Look at all this nasty seaweed. It's everywhere. See if we can get a big wave. Trying to get a big wave.
Yeah, Dad.
Oh, there's one right there. Huh? Yeah, give me a second. Trying to catch the biggest wave. Can you guys jump over the biggest wave? Yeah? Let's see. Let's see you jump over it like a dolphin. You should dolphin that thing. Jump over the wave like a dolphin. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Jump over it. Dolphin. Oh, yeah. You got the spirit of the dolphin in you. I'm telling you, those kids got the spirit of a dolphin. That's their spirit animal. Mom, 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 mom. Mama, mama, mama. What you doing, Jake? You eating some sand?
Only twice.
Baby, you're so beautiful.
Huh?
You're so beautiful. Kiko, you're precious.